So I'm gonna spray the pan, the cables, spray down everything at 656. I'll spray the electrical connections, the grounds, a little bit of the starter, and of course, reiterate it again, but you never want to spray the belts. And see all the salt? It will literally melt it away. Soften it up and let it dry out. So the reason why he's getting salt up here is because everything's hitting here from the transducer. That's why it's getting through the switch right here, and it's pressurizing through here. So that's the reason why it's all corroded, just because of his transducer. It's the nature of the game. That's how a lot of transducers are. They put up a little rooster tail and they hit right against the engine, where eventually it just works its way through. But we got a good spray on it. Make sure you're good to go there.